already caught a first fish.
Hey everybody, it's the Walrus. Aqua has already caught his second bluegill of the day. I didn't even have the camera set up. I wasn't even down here when he caught the first one. And Minion 5 Kitty's here. We also have Baby Daredevil and Mama Jaybird coming down. We're going to take the boat out on Peoga Lake and try to catch a few more.
I don't even know that we need the boat.
Yeah, we can fish off the dock for a little bit. Mom wants to ride the boat though.
Yeah.
All right, put him in the fish cage.
See you guys.
Bye.
I'm casting right here, Chandler.
Woohoo!
I got off my first snag.
Nice.
Okay, hold on. Fix up a pole.
Say hi, Mamacita.
Hey, baby.
Nice job, Amberly. Minion 5 Kitty.
It's been like 5 minutes.
We'll start reeling it in.
Dude, what's your bobber?
She might need to reel some of that slack in, Chan. Nice one, Amberly. Whoa! Look at that one, Brooklyn. Nice red ear.
Oh my gosh. Keep turning, Brooklyn.
That's a big red ear.
Keep turning, baby girl. Hold it. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. No, I'm putting my...
Good job, Brooklyn. Good job, Brooklyn. Woo.
That's a big red ear.
Well, let her hold it up. That is a big red ear. Let me get a picture too. Okay, I got 3.
I need a hand. Do you want me and her?
Oh, you got your bottom half in there.
I'll give it.
Nice bluegill, Chan.
Yeah.
We may take the boat out. Who knows?
We're doing pretty well just right here, aren't you?
They were like, we don't want to go, Uncle Chad. See?
What's coming up? I'm going up to the house.
There you go. It's on and it's recording Amberly right now.
Hello.
Thank you,
Good
Mike.
job.
See you, buddy.
Good one.
Got another big bluegill. I caught another big bluegill. There we go. Oh, red ear. Fish on. Nope, big bluegill. I thought it was red ear. All right. That's red ear. And anchored down in this spot right along this coast where there's some brush piles and stuff. You got the little ladies putting their feet in the water off the back of the boat. Bluegill, Em.
Thanks.
Woohoo! All right, Brookie, we'll put you back in. Caught another big red ear. Come on. Keep him coming. You got him. I see him. I see him. You just keep turning the wheel. You got him. Here he comes. Here he comes. Walk over this way. Walk over this way. There you go. Now reel him in. You got a big red ear on it, looks like. Oh, yeah. Big bluegill. There you go. Woo!
No, thank you. We're not going to get hurt again today.
Let me get your picture with him. Hold on. Oh, she wants to show you. Let me see, sis. Brookie, look at me.
Caught another big red ear this time. Catch you a big one, Em. Just a bluegill. Very nice.
I would like it for $10.
You would?
Yeah.
How about you, Brookie? Come on, keep reeling him till he's all the way up out of the water. Put your tip of your pole down and reel. There you go. Woo! Nice bluegill, Brooklyn.
Nice catch.
Big bluegill.
That's a big old bluegill.
Nice job.
That's about a...
Sandwich. Nice bluegill. Well, we got about 5 more minutes before we have to head in. So we're going to each try to catch one bass. Keeper bass of the day. Woohoo!
First bass this year? Yeah.
Crappie. Oh, yeah.
Good for a long
Come on, Brooklyn.
It's a nice fish.
Where's it at?
Right down in there.
Oh, I can't see that. Oh, I can see it now.
It's a bluegill.
Big bluegill. Don't walk backwards, Brooklyn. You'll fall off the dock. There he is. Good job.
Nice bluegill.
Woo! Another gill.
Hey,
Woo! Got me another gill. And we got red ear.
Last fish of the day.
Final tally. 10 big bluegill. 1 black crappie. 1 largemouth bass. 4 red ear. A decent day for the Walrusfest fishing team. Next video will be all about the gardening. So we'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.